Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix can't set time zone automatically in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first thing that you need to do is you need to press Windows and I key together, or you can simply navigate here at the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up, and then go with settings. Wait until you are being redirected here at the settings window, okay? And once it is being ready and once all are set, please proceed at the left side of that. And here you need to proceed with time and language. Tap on it and go with date and time. Tap on it. Now the case is when you try to turn on your set time zone automatically, the option is being grayed out. Okay? And the problem is it has this enable location permission for the settings to improve time zone accuracy, and in this way, you would be able to fix this grayed out option in your Windows. So in order to turn on your location, you need to navigate here at the option called Privacy and Security. Tap on it. And the moment you have tapped on it, please scroll down and go with App Permission. And at the very first of it, you can see their location. You need to click on it aligning the location services. There you can see an option where you can turn off or turn on the list location. Now it marked there that you need to turn on your location in order to in order to modify or yes, change also the set time zone settings in your Windows. So turn it on, and the moment you have turned it on, navigate to the time and language, click on it, and go with date and time. And there you have that. You can now turn on or either turn off the set time zone automatically in your Windows. Okay? So this is good since your Windows will be automatically be in the proper or accurate time zone that is yes accurate with your place or country that you are being with. Okay, so you can turn it off and you can also either turn it on. I would recommend you to go with set time zone automatically being on, so that again, as what I have said earlier, so that your windows will be set automatically according to the time zone of the country that you are living with. Okay, so close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.